how to get self attacks and gradient color roles features on Discord. Hello, everybody. If you guys are wondering how you can do that, you may follow the step in order to do so. So, for that, open up your Discord first, and you need to join up a guild server for that. Recently, few servers has been open in Discord, so you can join one of them. I will leave one of them in description, so you can just go ahead and join one of the guilds in your preferred server. Once that is done, you need to select up a role. For that, head over the server and you may join a role for that. So you may head over the tag section and then select up a role for yourself. For example, we have helper role, king role, everything. So you can just go ahead and look out for a role from here and join one of the roles. And once you've joined one of the roles, what you can do is you can look for the gear icon right beside your name and click on the user settings and open up your user settings. And from your user settings on your left hand side, go over to profiles and you may scroll down from here. And when you scroll a bit, you should be finding server roles here. So you may scroll a bit and we have the server tag option. It may just drop it down once you've selected your role earlier. You should be finding your role, for example, God role. So you can just go ahead and select one, this one right here, and place it. After that, save the changes, and that should do it. So you can follow this method. Similarly, in order to change the gradient, you can look out for banner color, and we have this gradient option. You can use this option in order to change it. So that is it for now. You may follow this method in order to do so. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. And then we will see you in another video.